reflecting. The reflection of light, a smooth water surface, will produce a clear image of the surrounding scenery, but if you throw a stone into the surface, the image will immediately be interrupted. When light waves are incident on a smooth, flat surface, they reflect away from the surface at the same angle as they arrive. The reflection process inverts each wave back to front, which is why a reverse image is observed on the surface. The mirroring system, the reflecting going on in our human brain, includes a mechanism that helps the brain record the difference between seeing and acting. That is why we sometimes confuse our own actions with those of other people. When you look in the mirror, then what do you see? Do you see my reflection, or do you really see me? This is the 8th video in the series Basic Ways of Healing Yourself in Nature. Simple steps to gain a positive life and transform yourself to a more peaceful being. Smile, because when you smile, the ones you smile to will actually get their mirror neurons all fired up, creating a sensation in their own mind of the feeling associated with smiling. It is the neurons inside your brain that mirror other actions. They are highly connected to your emotions and interactions with other individuals. They are the reason we are able to perceive and understand others' feelings without words, responsible for empathy, happiness, and the contagious anger, sadness, or anxiety that we feel when another person is experiencing these same feelings. The human mirror neuron system reacts to sounds and music, and you are able to activate your mirror neuron system, your amount of empathy, in various ways. So how do nature actually affect your mirror neurons? Sounds are often related to things stored deep inside your memory. A specific sound will sometime in your past have activated your mirror neurons, and when you hear that sound again, you will remember, mirror the awareness, the memory. One of the most basic and ancient sounds from thousands of years of human existence is the sound of the sea. It is closely related to the time we spend in our mother's womb, from a time where we felt safe and deeply relaxed just by hearing this sound. The sound of the still wind in the trees and leaves are at almost the same hertz area and will provide you with deep underlying memories, activating your mirror neurons into a sometimes much needed erase and rewind effect in your brain. You are a powerful project of nature, and nature is always there to provide you the ability to a new beginning, a new and true reflection of the person you want to be, the one you truly are, the one you was born to be. The most basic way to reactivate your original self is actually to go to the sea or deep inside a forest, where you can hear the wind in the trees. A place as silent as possible, away from other people. Just you and the nature surround you. Close your eyes and just let go. Let your memory take you back to before you were born. Let go of all other thoughts in that moment. You might have to try it a few times before you gain the effect of actually feeling reborn. But I will promise you that you will not regret trying a few times until it works. I will return soon with new content on this channel. Stay kind and shine your light.